Rita.
Yes.
Is Pat serious? General manager?
He is the bus boy.
You're not the general manager.
I just assumed that role.
Oh, you assumed the role?
Take on the responsibility.
How sad does that look? Honestly, come on. How fucking depressing is that?
Okay.
Ready? This is what you do when people are dead.
Do you want me to sing too?
Yeah.
Stop it. Long rest of the cake.
Pat. This for me is a new journey in life because I've always been a shoe salesman.
Seriously?
Not a men's shoe salesman.
Oh, sorry.
Of women.
So you're not a cop?
Do you have children?
Well, we have 3 little boys, but they're trapped inside cat bodies. Yeah.
Yeah, they're cats.
Our babies are cats.
Fucking believable.
No, but they actually grilled the lettuce. Can you just show a hand if anyone else has ever had a grilled Caesar salad before? Anybody here, ladies?
General manager / shoe salesman. You've been
I'm also a host.
You're a host?
And as a bus person, I do it all.
Wow.
Sorry for interrupting, just 2 seconds. But this is a first for me. A grilled Caesar salad.
You should have that. Turn around. You carry the front of the procession. Okay. Right, you got it from here. Here we go.
We don't need them to bust our balls over if there's little petite carrots that go there. Those same carrots go to the White House. Those same carrots go to the 5 Seasons. They go global.
The map of America. Starting on the East Coast. There's California where that little dark spot is. Come to Central, Midwest. And we have Seattle. We're here. Pittsburgh.
He's the bus man, and I fired him. And let me explain to you what he.
Hold on. You fired him.
I fired him.
What did you fire him for?
Because he told me that he was more important than me, and he got me on a bad day, and I got upset, and I fired him.
I checked on the cheeses for you. Mascarpone,
Mascarpone.
ricotta,
Also,
American Guarana, something called Cheese Way and Culture Blend.
where the fuck is that from in Italy?
I have no idea where that's from.
What in the bloody are they putting carrots on it? A puff pastry, why would you do that?
It's a 5 cheese stuffed ravioli.
And the 5 cheeses are?
I'm not sure.
Well,
It's a pre-made ravioli.
if we don't even make them here, it'd be nice to know what's inside them.
I'll find out right now for you.
Thank you.
How's it going?
I need to find out what cheeses are in the ravioli.
Oh, fuck me. Wow.
I'm
So you're the
sweating.
host.
I'm sweating.
You're sweating?
Yes.
I'm shitting myself.
I'm also shitting
What is it?
myself.
Oh my God. Horrible. There's something deep, fried, frozen. Doesn't even taste like cheese. Jesus, no.
Grilled salad.
Come on.
It is grilled.
You're still amazed.
I'm shocked.
I've never thought about it, but it's true. Like, wait, why are we grilling lettuce?
Can I give those back to you? Joe?
I don't personally want them myself, but you can take them back to the kitchen.
Oh. No, I personally didn't want them. Thank you. How would you rate the food?
The only issue is that I cannot eat Italian food because I'm gluten intolerant.
So what are you here?
I'm a combination of everything. I'm like manager /
Oh, so you're the manager here?
everything else.
Oh, shit.
/
For everything that Pat does right, he does 5 things wrong.
Eating the flies, no longer interested.
Okay, is there anything else you wanted me to get for you, or?
A wheel for that bike out there. That way I can get to fucking...